Making something people love to show. Hats and totes, quilts and more. Every design tells a story. Dream it, stitch it, watch it shine. Handmade, one stitch at a time. Changing bobbins, trimming threads. Coffee waiting just ahead. Appliqué and pretty bows, where creativity just grows. Blankets, bags, sweatshirts too. Every order made for you. Names and gifts, patches, flair. A little handmade everywhere. Stitch by stitch, row by row, creating joy wherever we go. Faith and fabric side by side, making memories filled with pride. Dream it, stitch it, watch it shine. Maplenutdesigns, one stitch at a time.